What is the last step in child-inclusive mediation? Hi, I'm Clare Piro, a family and divorce mediator and attorney. So after your child has had the meeting with the child consultant, and after you've had the meeting with the mediator and the child consultant, and you've come to understand the effect on your child from your conflict with your co-parent and your current access plan, the next step is for you to create a parenting plan that's going to address the issues and concerns that were raised by the child consultant. Now, this isn't the legal document that ultimately you're going to be signing and filing in court. This is a document that you're going to create in the mediation with the help of the child consultant and the mediator. And it will be something that you can take with you after the meeting. You can use your own language and you can begin implementing it immediately. Because it's not a legal document, you're going to be able to include things that would never be in a parenting plan typically. You can have language about what steps are you going to be taking when conflict arises. You can have language in the agreement in terms of how you're going to be speaking with your co-parent. What words will you use and not use? You can even make the document to be aspirational in the sense that you can say, this is the kind of relationship ideally I'd like to have with my child. So hopefully this will be a document that you can refer to in the future when things go a little off track. And maybe you need a little coaching as to how to get the focus back on the child and how to see things the same way that your child sees them. Now, I've spent 3 videos talking about child-inclusive mediation, so you would assume that this is a process that I think is helpful, and I do. Unfortunately, though, I can't tell you that it would be helpful or appropriate for you. If this is something that you're interested in, I suggest that you search out a mediator in your area who's been trained in child-inclusive mediation, and they'll do an assessment to see if this is something that would be helpful to you and your family. If it turns out that you can't find a mediator who does child-inclusive mediation, or it's not a process that they think would be appropriate, you can still have a child-focused mediation and use some of the concepts that I've been discussing. I hope you found all of this helpful, and please visit my website, clarepiromediation.com, for more information about child-focused mediation, child-inclusive mediation, and family mediation in general. Thanks. Bye-bye.